Hello friends, pastel colors are the softest colors when it comes to art and beauty, and they create such an amazing, soft, light, and beautiful effect that you start feeling cool and calm and amazing feeling inside you, and the sense of stability and serenity it provides to eyes and brain are just an amazing addition to the beauty of your home. Beside every color and every type of art, pastel color and pastel disc organization is something that stands out, and these colors are just mesmerizing. They create a dreamy magic effect inside your study corner, and you feel just amazing. They create such an environment where you can work, and you can feel yourself in a garden surrounded by pleasant flowers and amazing nature. These colors are just so close to the nature, to the calmness, to the serenity of nature that they really feel natural. Their look just feels natural to your heart, and you feel yourself closer to nature with them. They are they create an effect of a spaciousness. They don't create a monotony. We don't feel bored inside this space, which is so beautifully decorated with pastel colors. Pastel colors have no other choice which can stand out them in art and artistic crafts. Their floral arrangement, their frames, their chairs, and the color choices. You can choose any of the setting for your desk organization, and they all are just amazing, and they have no match in beauty to any type of organization. They create a calmness and soothing effect on your personality. They play a tremendous role in relieving your depression and anxiety. And if I say, I will say that this is a color therapy for your anxiety. And if you're suffering from any type of depression and you want to create a space for you where you can feel relieved and closer to nature, so you should go for a pastel disc, and this will be a color therapy for you, and you will be relieved, and you will feel a sense of relief and happiness inside your heart. My dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. I tried to work hard to collect the beautiful ideas, so please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.